Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A02s, and let me show you how to block a number or contact on this device. So actually we've got two different options to choose from. As I said, we can block a number directly from our contact list, so we can block the number which is saved on our device, or we can block it entering it manually in the dialer settings. Of course, I will show you both options. So let's begin with our contact list. Let's open it. Here we've got the contacts, and find the contact you want to block and tap on it. Now let's tap on this info icon, and all you have to do now is simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got the block contact option, so let's tap. Now your device is asking you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any calls or messages. So let's tap on block if you are ready, and as you can see, our number is blocked, so from now on we won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. Of course, we can unblock it from this level. Just tap on the three dots icon again, and here we've got unblock contact option, but let me leave it like this, and let me show you another option which is using the dialer settings, as I said. And it doesn't really matter if you will be on your keypad, recent contacts or places. All you have to do is simply tap on this three dots icon and find the settings. And as you can see, on the very first position we've got block numbers, so let's tap. And here we've got our blacklist. This is the number we just blocked from our contacts. What's more, you can add a phone number manually right here from the recents or contacts also. What's more, you can block unknown or hidden numbers. Now this option is off, but if you want to block all calls from anyone with a private or unknown number, just tap on the switcher right here, and from now on it is active. So now let me show you how to add a phone number manually. Just tap on this space. Here you can manually enter the number and tap on this plus icon. As you can see, it immediately appears on our blacklist, and from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. Of course, you can unblock both of them. Just tap on this minus icon right next to them, and as you can see, they immediately disappear. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your Samsung Galaxy A02s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.